और बेटा आज रिजल्ट निकलने वाले थे ना, कैसा हुआ बताओ बताओ।
सारा दिन मोबाइल में बैठा रहता है, पढ़ाई तो करनी ही नहीं है तुम्हें।
ये क्या पढ़ा हुई, ये करना भेजा था ट्यूशन।
Not using your full potential.
नंबर दोगे तब तो पढ़ाई होगी। ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
स्कूल का टेंशन, सबका अटेंशन, दोस्त हो या अंकल करते हैं मेंशन। कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर सब बोलते हैं, फ्री में तो मुंह अपना सब खोलते हैं। दुनिया तो कहती है आगे बढ़ो, पर कैसे करें ये सब सोचते हैं। पढ़ता ही रहता था मैं आंख अपनी खोल के, और याद करता था चीजों को 10 बार बोल के। नकली सी किताबें जिसने ज्ञान सारा छोड़ के सिखाया मुझको आगे बढ़ना असलियत को मोड़ के। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं। बस पढ़ना नहीं, 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 समझना भी है, सिर्फ समझना नहीं, बरतना भी है। पढ़ने का मतलब सिर्फ रटना नहीं, रटे बिना मार्क्स लाना भी है। विल डू बेटर अब करते हैं, सारी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं, सिर्फ बेटर नहीं अब बनोगे बेस्ट, फुल गारंटी हम देते हैं। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं।
तब तो पढ़ाई होगी। ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
Hey guys, what's up? This is Ananya, your master teacher at Vedantu for Social Science. I hope you people are doing a great job. Everyone is fine. Yeah? So great. So people, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to have a look. Basically, I'm going to take a one shot on constitutional design. Alright, one shot means it is going to be a revision of this entire chapter. Alright. So I would suggest you use this video just before your exam, all right, because I've already explained each and everything in detail in my previous videos, so you guys can use the one shot videos to revise the chapters. All right, great. So guys, first of all, I'm very proud to tell you guys that Vedantu has produced 120 state selections in NTSC Stage 1 2020-21 across 17 states. So we can say that Vedantu is now toppers ka new address. Guys, this is the scholarship program Mega Vault Vedantu's Olympiad litmus test for the classes 5th to 12th, and the registration for this is absolutely free. Okay, it will be conducted on 14th of August, that is this month at 3 p.m. So the link is there in the description box. I want you guys to go to that link and have a look. All right. So people, let's get started. It is going to be one short video, and do let me know guys after the session is completed in the comment section, like are you able to understand the one shot videos, because I've made many flow charts to explain you this topic in a very simple way. So do let me know in the comment section if it is helping you guys or not. All right, great. And if you are new to Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also give it a like. Chalo. Now guys, if you remember, I started with this chapter with the case study of South Africa. Okay? It is a country in definitely Africa. So democratic constitution in South Africa. If you remember Nelson Mandela, guys, he was a revolutionary and also the very first president of South Africa. So Nelson Mandela of African National Congress fought against the apartheid. Now, what was African National Congress? Like if you remember, Indian National Congress was one of the political party from India. In a similar way, there was African National Congress who fought against the apartheid. Now, what is apartheid, guys? Apartheid means it was basically racism, differentiating someone on the basis of color. If you guys remember, whites used to consider themselves as superior and blacks as inferior. So there was a lot of what do we say, discrimination between the whites and blacks. Guys, in fact, because he fought against the apartheid, he was behind the bars for 28 years. And finally, he became the president of South Africa. So guys, apartheid was defeated, means it was ended in 1994, and in 1996 a new constitution was formed, wherein the black leaders appealed the fellow blacks to forgive the whites and sought cooperation from all. So that's an amazing thing, right? Now, the biggest question arises, why do we need a constitution? Constitution in Hindi we call it as Samvidhan. Why do we need a constitution? Samvidhan क्यों चाहिए? Let's understand. The very first thing, it creates or it generates the trust and coordination among the people to live together. Guys, how constitution will help us to generate the trust and coordination among the people living together? Yes, because in constitution, all our fundamental rights, how the country has to be administered, everything is written in the constitution. Like if I say you justice for all, be it male, female, or be it a boy or a girl, be it the people from any social background, any financial background, any religious background, everyone will get justice. So it is creating a trust and coordination among the people living together. And you people are already aware there is a lot of diversity in India in terms of languages, terms of religion, and when everyone is treated equally, it is creating a trust among the people. It is generating a trust among the people living together. Guys, constitution also specifies how the government will be constituted and who will have decision making power. So with the help of constitution, we come to know how the government has to function. Means if any political party who comes to the power, who forms the government, they cannot administer the country in whatever way they want. No, absolutely no. They have to refer the constitution. Constitution lays down the limits of the government and tells the citizens' right. Again, the same explanation. It also tells the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. So guys, that is why we need a constitution. And now people, if you are a new person or a new child or a new viewer on our Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel, so let me tell you guys, not only YouTube, you guys can be a part of my long-term batches also. Yes. Now, how you guys can take our pro subscription, guys? It's very too simple. First of all, let me tell you guys, Vedantu is giving you a promise. The promise is improvement promise. Now, what is improvement promise? Like, we are promising you that the improvement will happen. And if improvement doesn't take place, or if improvement doesn't happen as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, Vedantu will give your entire fees back without asking any question. So, guys, if you take our pro subscriptions, what are the advantages? First of all, unlimited live classes. Unlimited live classes. At the same time, you can be a part of the fun and high level quizzes. Now, while you participate in the quizzes, while you guys attending our live sessions, you are basically competing with the students throughout the globe. Why? How? Because students in Vedantu are not only from different states of India, but they are from different countries also. Now, if you miss out the session due to any reason, you can watch the replays. And these replays are going to be interactive. Means you can be a part of the live quizzes, you guys can be a part of the leaderboard while attending the quizzes in the replays. And also you can basically, how many times you can watch the replays? N number of times you can watch the replays. You can even download the notes. So the notes which are made by your master teachers, you can download all the notes. During the session, after the session, before the session, at any point of time, you can ask doubts. Yes. Is it possible in YouTube live sessions? Definitely no. Continuously tests are taken. Assignments are given to you. You have an access to micro courses and crash courses. Beta, what are micro courses? Let's take an example. You are a part of my long-term batch. Okay? I taught you constitutional design. Now, let's say if you once again you want to attend constitutional design, that to live session. In that case, you can separately enroll to the micro course of this chapter and any other chapter of any other subject. Crash courses are basically revision courses. All these micro courses and crash courses are absolutely free for you, unlimited. Yes. So basically the students who actually pay for these micro courses and crash courses separately, it is going to be absolutely free for you. So how to take all these advantages? It is very simple. There is a link there in the description box. All right. And you will also find the very first comment. You just have to click on that link. You will be redirected to the website. I will show you how you are supposed to do. And one amazing thing. If you apply my coupon code as ADPRO, you'll get additional 10% off on all the plans. So how you can do? Okay, it's very simple. Like let's say this is one of my video. This is one of my video on the rise of nationalism in Europe. What you guys are supposed to do? You can see this link this is in the description box, and this is the very first comment. Just click on this link. You will be redirected to the website. Okay. So as you are in class 10th, you have to select. Okay, you are in class 9th. Okay, grade 9 CBSE. That's it. These are our plan: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. What is the difference between these three? It's very simple, guys. Whatever benefits I said you, like live interactive classes, test series, assignment, doubt solving during the sessions, you guys can download the notes, watch the replays. All these things are available in our Pro Lite subscription. And the fees for entire year is just 27,000. If you apply my coupon code as ADPRO, or else it is 30,000. Now, one best part is you can try it for 1 month also, which is at just 2070. The actual price is 2,500, but if you apply my coupon code as ADPRO, it will come down to 2070. Then guys, what is the difference between Pro Lite and Pro Classic? In Pro Classic, you will be getting a Doubts app on your mobile. So if you come across any questions during, after the session or before the session, then also your doubts can be cleared over there. In Pro Plus, you will get a personal mentor, guys. You can see here personal mentor. So this personal mentor will be there with you throughout the year to help you with the assignments, to guide you and everything, guys. So all these plans are available in 1 month. Just use my coupon code as ADPRO, as you can see over here, and get 10% off on all the plans. Okay, I also told you can watch the replays. It's very simple. Let's take an example. These are your past sessions. You went to past sessions. Look, if you click on replay, okay, just click on replay. You can watch the replay n number of times, like this is taught by me, as you can see. All right. Okay, then you can also download the notes. Let me show you how. Just click on get notes, and these notes are actually made by us. Look at these notes. These are made by us with all the quizzes. You can see the quizzes as well. Okay, this is the download option. Just click over here and you can download the notes. Alright, so there are, guys, n number of advantages of taking our Pro subscription. Alright, and guys, what I believe that when you are a part of our long-term batch and you are getting unlimited micro courses and crash courses, when you are not supposed to pay anything extra for these. So actually, the more number of sessions you will attend, the lesser the price for every lecture will come. Simple as that. I told you guys about the promise. After taking our long-term batches, if you feel there has been no progress as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, we will return your fees back without asking any question. But guys, we need a small commitment from your end. Okay, the commitment is very simple. You have to attend minimum 75% of the live classes, and whatever tests are assigned to you, minimum 75% should be completed. That's it. Alright guys, these are the batches on the right hand side of the screen. You can be a part of my long-term batch, and it's like if you are a part of our long-term batch, it is not like you can only attend my session. You can attend, you are basically enrolled automatically to the other subjects as well. Alright, chalo, great. Now guys, the making of the Indian Constitution. Let me tell you how the Constitution was made. Okay, the first draft was in 1928 when India was not even an independent country. In 1931, Motilal Nehru and 8 others Indian National Congress leaders demanded 3 important things. Universal adult franchising means voting rights given to the adult citizens. Okay, social justice, right to freedom and liberty. So back in 1931, we already decided that whenever the constitution will be made, we are going to add all these things. Okay. Participation in the provisional legislature helped Indians in framing the constitution. As you are already aware, we were a part of provisional legislature, and which helped Indians to frame the constitution very easily. All right. And you should also know one thing, guys. We were actually inspired from the constitution from other countries. Like we were inspired from French Revolution, we were inspired from the constitution of France, from the constitution of USA. All right. So we took inspiration from them. We never copied them. We took inspiration from them. So guys, what was Constituent Assembly? Constituent Assembly was an assembly of 299 elected members. All right, those were elected representatives, and these 299 members were responsible in making the constitution. Guys, it took them 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to make the Constitution of India. All right. So elections to the Constituent Assembly held in 1946, wherein 299 members were elected. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee, and Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949, but it came to effect from 26 January 1950. I told you guys the reason why in my previous session, and I also told you guys about the difference between these two dates. Guys, Indian Constitution is the largest constitution in the world. Yes. Okay guys, one thing. I want you guys to tell me, if you are listening to me, I want you guys to tell me how many articles are there in the Constitution of India right now. Okay? Guys, these were some amazing personalities, the makers of our constitution. All right, these were the constitution makers. I already explained to you about these personalities in my previous session. Guys, this is the preamble of India, which is the soul of our constitution. Like, let me give you a brief idea about this. It starts from "We the people of India," means which gives us an idea that the constitution was actually made by Indians. All right. You can see India is a sovereign country. Sovereign means India is an independent country. India is a socialist country, secular country. So a secular country means we do not have any religion. We respect every religion. We accept every religion. All right. India is a democratic country means people have the real power to choose the representatives. India is a republic country means the head of the state is an elected representative. At the same time, our constitution, the preamble also secures to all its citizens, that is justice. We have got justice. In Hindi, we call it as Nyay. Socially, we have got justice. Economically, we have got justice. Politically, we have justice. We have got liberty. Liberty means freedom. Freedom of thought, freedom of expressing our opinions. All right. Freedom of belief, freedom of faith, freedom of worship. We have got equality. Equality of status means be it male, female, girl, boy, or a person from any financial background or any religious background. Everyone is treated equally. All right. Then we have got fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood. So guys, this is the preamble of India. Guys, I hope this one short video will definitely help you. Guys, again, let me tell you, always use the one short video just to revise the things. All right. Because in one short video, we take a brief idea. It's basically a revision of the topics we completed in the previous sessions. All right, in detail. So on the right hand side, guys, you can see this is my weekly schedule. Please take a screenshot of this and do not forget to be a part of my each and every session on time. All right. Okay, great. Thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. This is our Telegram group. You guys can be a part of the Telegram group. The link is there in the description box. And if you want to be a part of my long-term batch, you guys can enroll to Vedantus Pro subscription by using my coupon code as ADPRO to get additional 10% off. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. I hope you had a great time because I had a great time with you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye. Take care. Jai Hind.